Hello YouTube viewers and welcome to another episode of Scale Model Car Chief. I'm Steven. Steven with a scratchy throat. Been a little under the weather, but that hasn't stopped the build of the 1968 Plain Jane Camaro. So this is build update number 1. Here we have a look at the yellowing of the kit. A lot of the parts have this yellowing, so it's not just the hood. You know, it's some of the other items as well on the different sprue trees. For a new kit, I was kind of surprised by this. I could understand if it was vintage, but thank goodness I am painting the kit. It's not going to just be a plain plastic model. Here I'm applying a coat of Krylon paint and primer in Bright Idea. It's a really pale yellow, and I think it fits the part for this build. Yeah, I'm trying to go for that sensible, economic, good-looking ride that was so appealing about the Camaro when it was first introduced. Here's the 6-cylinder engine that I took from another kit that I had. I think it was a 1950-something Chevy. Yeah, might not be exact, but it'll fit the part well. Here's the assembled kit. Or engine. Yeah, not the kit. I have a long way to go on that. Now I'm going to get ready to do a test fit in the chassis, or make sure everything's looking good and getting really everything to sit where I want it. It's quite an understated engine compared to the muscular V8 that should be there, seeing that it was a Z28 kit. But that factory air cleaner gives it a nice understated look. Here's some color added to the engine and the chassis assembly. Soon I'll be getting ready to do a test fit in the body before I assemble the rest of the chassis components. That beautiful understated engine. that would be an eye popper if somebody opened the hood. Everything's sitting almost perfect. Plenty of hood clearance. This is exactly what I was going after. That understated look that maybe a school teacher or a young individual would drive, that classic styling of the Camaro. So thank you for watching. This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief. Have a blessed day.